Hi everyone, I am Shreya Tripat B.sc, an alumnus of Dhirendra Mahila P.G college. I completed my graduation in science in year 2023 from this college. First of all, I would like to thank all the faculties for their support that they gave to us. They are very skilled and cooperative. They not just help us to become a good student, but they help us to become a better version of ourselves in all sphere of our life. And it's all their efforts and guidance that helped me to secure first position in the university. I have a very good experience at the college. Has very good infrastructure, a good library, a good laboratory with lots of equipments. It conducts lots of extracurricular activities, takes students to educational trips throughout the year, which help us to explore new things and to realize our hidden talents, giving us opportunities to give presentation, help us to overcome our inner fear that we have. But the thing which I like the most about the college is the discipline of the campus. And lastly, I want to express my heartiest gratitude to everyone who has been part of my college journey, the faculties, staff, classmates, and friends. And I wish all the best for other prospective students. Thank you.